Albayanong Batayan nyo, syempre nagbabalik tayo para sa panibagong video reaction. At ngayon nga, bibigyan natin ng video reaction ang continuation ng SB19 story episode by none other than Sir Casual Chuck, no? So, ito na yung episode 8, blah blah, nabubulol na ako. So, ito yung episode 8, titled Kindness, the 7th Anniversary Special by Sir Casual Chuck. So, syempre, shout out lagi kay Sir Casual Chuck sa paggagawa ng ganitong type of docu-series from the story of SB19. So, syempre, ilalagay ko yung link ng original video sa description, pati na rin yung YouTube channel, Sir Chuck, para kung sakali ayaw nyo ng maraming post at gusto nyo ng continuous na panonood ng video, ilalagay ko yung original link ng video sa baba. So, syempre, wag na nating patagalin pa. Subscribe, click mo yung bell para update ka sa upload natin sa channel na to. So, syempre, speechless ako, excited na rin sa magiging kaganapan na itong video reaction. So, let's go! Check na natin to.
Hoy, bawal mag-video-video ah.
Ma'am, bawal po mag-video, ma'am.
A wise man once said,
We play in this world full of perspectives until you've seen the nooks and crannies and visited the corners and the sides. Always choose to be kind.
and I indeed see that SB19 is putting it into practice. Like what happened in Binibining Pilipinas 2022. Right after the performance of Bazinga and SLMT, Pablo seemed to have disappeared instantly.
Why? Hindi ko nasubaybayan tong this pageant.
Always.
Wait lang.
Until
Gusto ko lang pakinggan
we play
yung
in this
sinabi ni Pablo dito.
world full of perspectives until you've seen the nooks and crannies and visited the corners and the sides. Always choose to be kind.
Yeah. Kasi, may lang madalas na nangyari kasi dito sa atin, especially sa mga Pilipino. I don't know kung talagang ganun talaga ba ang Pinoy mentality na pag may nakita kang hindi maganda sa isang bagay, sa isang tao, automatic boom agad eh. Automatic bash ka agad, automatic negative comments agad, man. So, I think hindi naman dapat ganun eh. At syempre, hindi magandang tingnan bilang Pilipino na ganyan lang magali, di ba? Hindi magandang tingnan, hindi magandang attitude ng isang Pilipino. Kumbaga naging stereotype sa mga Pilipino, ang mga crab mentality, hindi maganda talaga yung ganyan. Which tama si Pablo. Always choose to be kind. Kasi may choice ka naman eh. Bakit pipiliin mo maging masama, di ba?
And I indeed see that SB19 is putting it into practice. Like what happened in Binibining Pilipinas 2022. Right after the performance of Bazinga and SLMT, Pablo seemed to have disappeared instantly.
Find out who will be this year's queens.
Putting it into practice. Like what happened in Binibining Pilipinas 2022. Right after the performance of Bazinga and SLMT, Pablo seemed to have disappeared instantly.
Find out
Ano kaya nangyari?
this year's queens. The announcement when we return.
Bye! Have a great time!
Bye, abagay. Come on, Sir Chuck. Nawala. Pati sila naguluhan din eh. Yo, what happened? Anong nangyayari kaya?
Fans speculated that Pablo might have been sick or maybe just needed to go to the bathroom in a
Yeah.
hurry. But we had no idea that Pablo exited because he was just naturally kind and humble and wanted to give the spotlight to the candidates. Shut up, Chuck! You're glazing SB19 too much again! Oh, don't!
Bro. As I've always said, gusto kong matuto ng mga ganitong video editing, Sir Casual Chat, bro.
And wanted to give the spotlight to the candidates. Shut up, Chuck! You glazing
Bro, what? Man. Gusto ko sana magkaroon ng Chuck University, no?
SB19 doing too much again. Oh, don't worry, Chucky. I will prove you wrong. So when Pablo realized that he had exited prematurely, he immediately returned for the photo op and paid very close attention on him. He whispered something to the boys, and if you read his lips, this is what he might have said.
God, man. Imagine kung paano yung quick thinking ni Pablo sa ganito. 'Di ba? 'Di ba? Siguro nga kung ako siguro hindi ko rin maiisip na kumbaga parang yeah, it's our time ba? Sige, pasikat na tayo. Pero si Pablo, men. Tropo tayo, men, no? So, God, hindi ko minsan hindi ko rin maarok talaga ko yung sinasabi ko na grabe ang wisdom ni Pablo. Kahit matanda ako kay Pablo siguro. I think, matanda. Matanda ako kay Pablo. Amen. So, yung wisdom man ni Pablo, kung yung quick thinking niya sa mga ganitong bagay, simple. Hindi mo, kala mo walang impact, man, pero para sa akin, ngayon na mention na si Sir Chuck, talagang, man, oo nga, no?
It becomes even more apparent by how the boys reacted to it, as you can see how it unfolded in real time.
Yeah. True.
This only proved that SB19 are not only kind, but also such gentle.
Yeah.
Speaking of sitting, you will notice in the last moments of PPopCon 2023 that SB19 is the only group sitting on the floor. This tells me that they just want to take the opportunity to give the other groups the exposure they deserve.
Yo, ang dami na pa rin talagang P-pop dito sa pop group dito sa Pilipinas.
Only group sitting on the floor. This tells me that they just want to take the opportunity to give the other
1, 2,
groups the exposure they deserve.
Port Impact P-pop pala yon. Yung Port Impact, yung doon dati sa ano ba yon? Got Talent. Press hit play. Dino. Okay. First one. BGYO Alamat. Okay. Manila for MNL48. Man, ang dami naman nito, man. Kung ikaw ba fan, makikilala mo ba to? Kung ikaw ba fan na itong mga to, makikilala mo ba agad sila, man?
Ang bigay po guys sa SB19!
And of course, they never fail to acknowledge them, as you can see in this emotional video, because they exactly know their struggle as a co-artist. Being co-artists also means they are competitors, so staying kind can become quite challenging.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi madaling
Masasabi mo rin naman kayo na kumbaga pag competitor mo talaga yan, parang hirap nga naman maging kaibigan mo yung kalaban mo, no? Well, anyway, may sinasabi nga na kasabihan na love your enemy. Pero human nature din kasi ng tao yung magkaroon ng emotion towards competitor din talaga, no?
maging hindi madaling maging
Mabuting tao.
mabuting tao talaga.
Yeah, totoo naman. Hindi madaling mabuti, pero may choice ka. Yun lang naman ang hindi madali, pero may choice ka para maging mabuting tao. Yun lang naman yung dun eh. I don't know, pero sa perspective ko kasi minsan talagang nagkakaroon ka ng thinking na gusto mong maging masama dahil nga din sa mga binabato nila sa inyo. Pero there's always a choice din kasi
Especially sa mga challenges or like
Ganda nun, men.
hindi
Gusto ko yun. Naano nga ako eh. Naiiyak ako.
mapapaisip ka ng
Kasi sikat kayo eh. Alam mo yun, andyan lahat ng dahilan para maging masama ka. Alam mo yun?
Yeah,
Talagang
yeah, yeah.
napaisip ako ngayon. Like kung naging mabuting tao ba ako sa ibang tao. And ayun, kung naging mabuting tao ba tayo?
Tingin ko naman,
Lahat naman kasi tayo may flaws. Alam naman natin yan. Lahat naman tayo may bad side. Ngayon, ang tanong na lang, anong gagawin mo na once na ma-point out mo na yung flaws mo, yung bad side mo, anong gagawin mo doon? Itutuloy mo ba yun or babaguhin mo yun? Yun lang naman yun eh.
Maraming taong mahanga sa atin.
Minsan, kahit anuhin mo sasagarin at sasagarin ka ng mga tao sa paligid mo.
yeah.
Minsan, mapipilitan kayo na parang mapagtang...
Yeah, yun yung sinasabi ko doon eh, na since na nature ng tao na magkaroon ng emotion, syempre pag nasagad ka talaga, mapupuno ka rin naman talaga. Minsan magda-dark na yung isip mo just to retaliate na doon sa tao.
Tanggol mo lang. Minsan,
Which is nature yon. Hindi mo once na talagang maano na. Pero syempre nga, sinasabi na think before you act siguro. Yeah.
sarili mo, di ba? Pero napakahirap maging mabuti.
Here's a clip of their kindness being put to the test. This is a live stream to promote SB19's Pagsy Ball EP, and one random viewer mistakenly identified them as a different boy group.
Batiin natin. Sabi nung isa, hi BGYO.
I want to meet all of you daw.
Come on, The Rock, bro.
Halika nga rito.
Hi. Hindi, syempre tropa natin ng BGYO. Hello. Hello sa inyo.
Where are the members of BGYO? Hello to your fans of BGYO.
At hello din sa mga fans ng BGYO. Kami po pala ang SB19 kung hindi nyo po kami kilala. Ayun lang naman po. Pero ano yan. Syempre minsan nakaka-confuse di ba?
Yeah. Yeah, sa dami naman talaga ng P-pop na minsan, ako nga, although SB19 yan, siguro, I'll be honest, SB19 lang talaga siguro yung sinuportahan kong P-pop sa Pilipinas. G22, once ko lang sila napakinggan, and then, the rest, syempre, naririnig ko yung iba, pero hindi ko naman sila pinapakinggan, yung songs. Parang ganun.
Ang hirap talagang maging mabait, ano? Especially in moments when you have every opportunity to see some good scenery, but yet, SB19 just chooses to look the other way.
Okay.
Oh shit, not good.
Bro, Sir Casual Champion, I'm guessing na pareho tayo minsan ng sitwasyon. Pag Bro, wala, bakit masama na bang manood ng mga ganyan? Come on, man. Come on, ate girl. Come on, madam. Come on, sir. Come on, Sir Chuck's wife. Come on. Hindi naman masama yun, nanonood lang naman. Pag kayo nga minsan nanonood ng mga Korean drama, hindi na mga K-pop artist, hindi naman namin kayo pinagbabawalan sa mga sumasayaw sila eh.
Oh shit, not good.
Here's what G22 said about
God.
SB.
They're sobrang kuya nila. They give advices and they're so warm.
So this is the G22. Yeah, this one. Ang ganda na ito para sa akin.
Wouldn't feel like they are like one of the hottest groups right now.
Well, that's probably because they also treat you like that. Because
They're
you
very
are also one of the
humble.
hottest groups.
Oh, do shot. We know we're hot, but
I'm just kidding. Sige, hindi na lang.
wait. Ano?
Yeah, ito ang maganda din pala na ito.
Very humble
But yeah.
po talaga sila. Yeah. And yung mga advice nila, especially I had one long conversation with Kuya Pablo and grabe na-twist yung brain ko. Like,
Ano na twist?
parang,
Wow, enlightenment.
I mean, the way he views.
It's like parang foreigner to si girl. Parang may half blood siya. Half-blood.
everything. Parang talaga
Half-breed. Hindi naman. Half-blood
he
siguro
wants
to.
to support
Man,
everyone.
I don't think na parang pure Filipino ba to?
As in, oh my
Ito,
God, I
it's like
aspire
this
to
two.
be
This two. Ewan ko.
like him, like his mindset.
Marami na rin kasing mistisang Pilipina eh.
What about with both of you?
Nakakatuwa lang po kasi very, very, very supportive sila sa isa't isa and also very supportive sila sa whole P-pop community
Yes.
ever since. Kaya grabe talaga yung pag-look up and yung saludo ko sa kanila.
SB19 are so kind that every people they work with tends to shower them with appreciation.
Yung mapa ng SB19, was it your personal choice to have that soundtrack in the
alam ko yung mapa kasi paborito ko yung mapa. Bago pa siya ginamit dito, paborito ko na siya. Napag-uusapan na namin yung mapa sa Showtime, na-discuss na nga namin. Yung una kong narinig yung mapa, nakakaiyak talaga siya. Merong isang live performance ng SB19 na kinanta nila yun ng mabagal, na iyak ako ng iyak, tapos umiiyak din sila dun sa stage habang kinakanta. Sabi ko, napakaganda nun. Kaya nung pinitch yun ni Chris Gasman, tapos narinig na din nilang lahat, walang tanong-tanong na bakit yan ganyan. Ang tanong lang namin lagi ay yung afford ba natin? Pero mabait yung SB19. Madali silang kausap. They are very generous. At happy sila, lalong-lalo na si Pablo na nagamit yung kanta na ginawa niya, yung mapa dito sa pelikula namin. Kasi dream niya pala yun na maging soundtrack yung isang kantang ginawa niya. At ang laki lalo ng iginanda ng pelikula natin dahil dun sa soundtrack.
And this is not only limited locally, but also internationally. Remember this epic performance in the Asian Artists Awards? Here's what Ant Team had to say about SB19.
SB19 さんもマジでみんな優しくて、練習した時マジで
Ant Team? Okay,
めっちゃ
Ant
雰囲気が
Team.
良くて、なんだっけ、初めて会うんですけど、めっちゃでもすぐなんか仲良くなったそういう感じになった。なんか一心同体みたいな。そうそう。
Okay, so nagkaroon sila ng
If you ask me, the part where kindness really pops with SB19 is the way they interact with their young fans.
Okay. Yeah, man. Man, ito na. God. Man, lagi kong nakikita kung paano ni Pablo. It's always, yung parang amazing na yung amazement ko kay Pablo kung paano niya tinitingnan lahat ng nasa peripheral version niya, kung ano yung mali, ano yung tama. Man, imagine that. Imagine that na nakita ni Pablo yung ganyan na, Justin, go for the other kids na parang hindi siya mapil OP, di ba? Mapil OP doon sa ano. Man. Di ba? Oh, guys. Props kay Pablo for saying that kind of situation para doon sa bata. Man, imagine mo to yung mga bata na to. Forever nilang i-cherish to yung moment na to. Na naging part sila. Na-meet nila yung SB19. Malaking bagay to para sa mga bata na ma-meet nila ng physical yung kanilang mga iniidol. Ay, hindi nakasali yan. Hindi nakasali yan.
One of those interactions even made it to the news.
Ito ang nakakaantig na viral video ni SB19 Ken sa kanilang simula at wakas concert nitong weekend. Napatigil siya sa nabasa mula sa fans. Ang nakasulat sa note, pwede raw bang mag-drawing si Ken para sa kanyang batang fan na mayroong autism. Agad-agad namang kinuha ni Ken ang papel at nag-drawing, kahit na nasa gitna siya ng performance. Sa isang
Nag-drawing
punto
talaga.
nga,
Pinag-isipan niya pa talaga no?
kahit na nasa gitna siya ng
Oh, yun, oh.
performance.
Teka, mali.
Sa isang punto nga, tumigil pa siya sa pagguhit para kumanta saglit. Sabay balik ulit sa pagguhit. Ito ang drawing ni Ken. Smiley face na may nakasulat na, "You are loved."
And did I already say that these boys are such kind gentlemen?
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine, 'cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know. Yeah, you know I need space, a little time for myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I
God. Man! Imagine that, man. Hindi mo pinapakita sa mga fans mo na special ka. It's like you treat them kung sinasabi din pa, magka-level lang tayo, hindi mo kailangang
Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear.
Kaswerte naman ni ate.
Some promises. All the fuck-ups, promises.
Siguro sabi natin, oy, mukhang nakakalamang ka na.
All the fuck-ups, break-ups, bumps in the road. We've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years,
Nice. Ibang gentleman level yung si Sarah pala yan, no? Ibang gentleman level yung SB19 dito, men.
it's you and
Oops.
This particular clip shows a random woman overseas asking Josh to take a picture, and he didn't.
Siguro hindi niya kilala si Josh na SB19, tapos parang nadala na. Kuya, ito yung mga, kuya, pwede pa picture.
Even hesitate.
Yeah. Nice. Tapos imaginein mo na if ever ma-find out ng girl na to na si Josh ba yun ng SB19 yung inutusan ko? Si Josh ba yung inutusan ko na mag-picture sa akin, no?
I know you better.
Si Josh naman dito, todo photography mode, no? Photographer mode, no?
Than anyone you know.
This girl
may paganyan-ganyan ba?
likely doesn't even know Josh.
Yeah, and then syempre, what if si Josh pa lang SB19 yung nagpicture sa akin.
This only proves that SB19 are still normal people when
Yeah.
put into normal situations.
Pati na nga rin doon yung sa yung doon sa yung doon sa nakapag-upo, yung doon sa girl na umupo sa sahig tapos inoffer ni Pablo yung upuan niya. Half ng
But I
upuan
have some
niya,
tea I want to share. That one of the SB19 members actually prefer older women.
Yeah. Okay.
The tea is exceptionally good today.
Ate, gawan mo ako ng mainit na lola.
Si Stel, bro. Si Stel.
Gusto ko yung Lola Remedios pag mainit.
Yes.
Okay.
So parang
Okay. Hindi yung iniisip kong older woman. Iba pala yun.
ayaw ko na realize weird pala niya sabihin. Oo. For the context, isa po siyang inumin, isa po siyang inumin at malaking
Kaya kasi yung Lola Remedios parang nakiklear yung throat.
tulong po siya for me before the show.
Yeah.
Sana po wala pong iba ang tingin sa akin ngayon. I love Hot Lola.
I love her.
Stel was obviously joking. What he actually meant was SB19 are also as gentle to their seasoned fans.
Kaya that's why makikita mo sa mga concert karamihan sa mga concert goer ng SB19 yung mga older woman dahil syempre alam nila kung gaano kabait itong mga SB19 members eh. Oh, lala. Ikot. Isa pang ikot. Oh. Ito pa, di ba? Man. Kung wala silang pinipili eh, mapa-audience, from kids to lolas, man. Tingnan mo naman, no? Ito yung maganda kasi talagang na-appreciate nila lahat kind of ages. That is why love na love sila ng mga from kids to grandmas. Dahil sa ganitong klaseng ugali nila.
So shout out to all seasoned fans out there. You guys have an unfair advantage over us. Huh? So what have we learned from this video? For me, I realized that no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Throughout SB19's ups and downs, they have always chosen to be kind. And because of that, little by little,
Ang yan talaga yung mga ganitong clip ng SB. Dito talaga ako natatawa.
they won the favor of every person who found them. It's crazy to think that there was once a time when only
Ito yung, dito at the same time na ano din ako sila, nasad ako nung time na nalaman ko na ganun lang kaunti yung nanood. Pero, nasad ako pero at the same time na-inspired na, kahit sampung audience lang yung nanood, still kinontinue nila. I guess medyo doon talaga ako tinamaan na parang dito ka 10 lang eh. Tapos sa mga ano ko dati, parang may at least 20 merong nanonood kahit pa. So doon talaga ako naman why stop na parang nang pinanghilang ka ng load dahil konti nanonood. Sila nga 10 eh.
10 people were behind them. But because of their kindness, they now have the whole country behind them.
Gusto ko ipakita sa kanila kung ano talaga meron. Anong meron?
Siyempre, hindi lang tayo ang dala-dala natin. Ang buong Pilipinas. Happy birthday!
Yeah. Happy 7th year at SB19.
I am too soft for this video.
Yeah, and I guess as I've always said na SB19 sila yung nagbigay ulit ng gasolina sa akin para ituloy ko yung aking YouTube channel. Dahil sa kanila na-inspired ako dahil sa sabihin ko na SB19 talaga yung ulit yung nag-ignite ng apoy para umpisahan ulit yung aking YouTube channel. So again, thank you SB19. Lagi akong magiging grateful as always sa inyo. And syempre, thank you for all the wisdom na binibigay nyo sa akin every time na nanonood ako ng mga videos and vlogs. So, yan. So, I guess, thank you din kay Sir Casual Chuck sa napakagandang docu-series na ito. So, yeah. I love you all.